Hey guys, have you ever thought to make a fridge magnet? Today we'll make two fridge magnets. One is a fish and one more is a caterpillar magnet. Now let's start. Now let's start doing from fish magnet. The materials required are a glue bottle, a scale, a pencil, a sketch pen, a scissor, a magnet. You can see here. You need two color sheets. One is orange, one is blue. Now let's start from orange paper. Here, first you have to measure 26 centimeter. That is the length. Here, first we'll measure it. If you're measuring in the small scale, you will get, first you have to measure 15 centimeter. Then after that 11 centimeter. Okay. So this is not the correct line. This is the correct line. This is 26 centimeter. Now we have to measure the breadth here. That is 1 centimeter here. So I have measured the breadth. Now we'll draw the line here. You have to draw this line straight, then it will come proper. Oops, I made a mistake. I have eraser. I will erase it. Yeah, now I draw the line. Now it's time to cut. Now let's cut the line which you have drawn. And here also. Yeah, we have cut this. You have to cut them here, three of the strips. You have two colors, you have to cut them 3 strips of 26 centimeter. We in blue. I've done it. Now let's start doing it. The fish by folding it. You have to fold everything like this into halves. You'll get it like this. You have to fold everything. Yeah, now we have folded it. Now let's joint it. Here you have to take one of the strip. Okay, then you have to put it inside this. You can see inside this. So you will get it like this. Next, you have to take one more blue strip. Okay? And again you have to put it here. Next you have to put it in this strip. Okay, next we'll take the orange strip. You have to hold it tight or else it will come out. Okay, next here you can see again 2 strips. The first strip you have to put. For the both of them you have to put, then we'll take one of them out. Should go inside this. See, you can see it here. You have to go. It have to be like this. So you'll get it like 4 squares in the behind also. Oops, I forgot these. Here also. Yeah, you'll get 4 colors both the sides. Again, we are going to do one more. Now next, again here. How I have done the first one, it's the same way to put. Then next, you have to put it over here. See, you have to take this one strip, then you have to put it over here. Sorry, over here. Yeah, you'll get it like this. Next, we'll put the orange strip. Again at the first place. Here you can see it. Yeah, we have done it. Next, you have to take out this strip, the center one, and put it on that. Next, you have to keep it together. See, like this. You have to keep it together. You'll get it like a chessboard type. If you can see, it will come like that. Odd, even, odd, even. Okay, now we'll stick these. Okay, now it's time to stick. Here you have to look carefully. Here you can see this blue strip, no? You have to keep the glue beside it. One drop. Okay, then after that you have to stick it. Okay, next. Here it's after blue, so you have to keep it normally like that. Press it properly. Next, we'll stick this strip here. Again, you have to do the same thing here. Beside the strip, you have to stick. It makes to not come out. Next, we'll stick the blue strip here. First, you have to do the same thing. Secured over here also. Okay, next step is, here you can see 3 of them. You have to take the middle of it. That is this. Okay, you have to take the only one strip. Okay, then you have to cut that. Okay, we have cut it. We are not going to paste this strip here. We are again going to put inside this blue. It should not be seen like this. It should be like this. It should go inside it. Yeah, we have done that. And just cut this. Okay. Next, again for the same thing. For the blue one, here again cut it, then go inside this. Sometimes you are not able to pull it up. You'll get it like this, you have to push it a little more by the tail here. You have to cut it like this. Yeah, the fish is done. Now we'll put the eye of it. And the mouth. Now for that, now we are going to stick the magnet here. You will get it like this. At the behind, you have to stick it. This will not be seen at the behind. And just stick it. Your fish magnet is done. Now let's see how to make a caterpillar magnet. For the materials required are a big circle object, then smaller than this, then smaller than this. Next we need is some color papers. The colors are yellow for the head, orange, blue, green and blue again. They are for the body. And we need the same yellow paper for the tail. Okay? And we need pencil, sketch pen, glue, scissor. Now let's start from the head of the caterpillar. Here first we'll take this big round. Then we will draw this. Yeah, we've drawn it. Now we'll cut it. Drawn the circle. Now we keep it aside. Next we'll draw the body of the caterpillar. Here first. Here. Now we'll draw the circle. Okay, we have drawn one circle. We'll cut this. For the body of the caterpillar. Yeah, we have done one of the part of the body. Next we'll do the one more. Again we have to draw this. To the tail of the caterpillar. Here. Yeah, now we'll draw the circle. Now we have drawn it, now we'll cut it. And we need to do the ears or something else which would be upon the caterpillar's head. You have to draw this and cut it and stick it. Now we'll join the caterpillar. So these and all we have cut till now. Now we will join them by glue. Here first we will do with glue. First we have to keep the head, and here you have to put little bit glue. Okay, then you have to stick whatever color you want first. Then again you have to do like this. You have to put the glue. Then you have to stick it like this. Then again you have to put the glue. Then you have to stick it like this. Then again you have to put the glue. Then again you have to stick. Then now we are going to stick the tail. Here you have to put little bit because this is small. And stick the tail. Now we'll stick the ears of the caterpillar. You have to turn it back. And here you have to do one little line. And you have to turn it and put it. And make sure it's in the correct place. Sometimes it gets changed. Yeah, it's in correct place. Next we'll put the one more. Yeah, then we'll stick it like this. Okay, we have sticked it. Now we'll give the details. Here, first we'll give the eyes. Then we'll give the eyeball. Then the mouth. Next, we need magnet for this also. So we'll stick it behind it. You need 2 pieces of magnet. Okay? You can stick one over here and one more over here near the tail. Okay? Yeah, your caterpillar magnet is ready. I hope you keep this guy on the fridge. Like my video, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.